Hi guys, magandang araw po sa lahat. Ayan guys, driver of the day po tayo ngayon guys. Da-drive muna tayo guys. Uy, mukhang masikip na to ah. Masikip na daanan to ah. Drive muna tayo guys ah. Drive muna tayo kasi driver of the day tayo ngayon. Masikip ang daan natin. Driver of the day guys. Masikip ang kahapon. Ayan guys, driver of the day. Driver of the day. Yan ka lang, huwag kang gumalaw dyan. Ayan, shout out nga pala, shout out kay DRB Rapsing.
Hindi nang paggising kinabukasan ng
DRB Rapsing, shout out sa'yo.
MX3 complete.
Hanapin mo na yung mo, DRB Rapsing, yung kabuhayan mo, yung palay mo. DRB Rapsing, kunin mo na at kontakin mo na agad si Mampi. DRB Rapsing, shout out sa'yo. Ayan, drive muna tayo. Drive lang muna si Mamang Guard. Driver of the day tayo ngayon. Driver of the day. Driver of the day. Yan, driver of the day. Masikip ang parking natin, masikip. Ayan guys, shout out. Hala, ayaw na gumana. Yan guys, natapos na guys. Yan, driver of the day. Shout out din, shout out kay Kapiso TV. Kapiso TV, shout out sa'yo. Pakontak na Kapiso TV, pakontak na si si DRP Rapsing. Yan, para makuha na yung palay niya. At hindi pa alam yun kung saan niya kukunin yung palay niya at wala na sigurong ATM yun. Ayan, shout out sa'yo Kapiso TV. Thank you so much, thank you so much.